Welcome to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we are tackling an important question that many people are asking. Are artificial intelligence or AI apps safe? AI apps are becoming increasingly popular, but with that popularity comes concerns. Can we trust them with our data? How do they work? And most importantly, are they safe to use? Let's break it down in simple terms and explore the world of AI apps. Before we discuss safety concerns, let's first understand AI apps. An AI app is an application that uses artificial intelligence to perform tasks. These tasks can include recognizing your voice, translating languages, answering questions, making recommendations, and even controlling your smart home devices. Popular examples of AI apps include Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, and apps like Netflix or YouTube that suggest content based on your preferences. AI apps work by learning from the data you provide, and the more data they have, the better they get at their tasks. AI apps depend on data to function properly. Every time you use an AI app, you are giving it information. This could be your voice commands, your location, your preferences, or even your browsing history. The app collects and analyzes this data to learn what you like and how to improve your experience. For example, when you watch a movie on Netflix, the app remembers what kind of movies you prefer and suggests similar ones. Or, when you ask Alexa to play your favorite song, it remembers your choices for the next time. But with all this data being collected, many people wonder, is it safe to share all this personal information with AI apps? This brings us to the big question, are AI apps safe for your data? In general, most AI apps are designed with security measures to protect your data. Companies use encryption and other technologies to make sure your data is kept safe from hackers or unauthorized access. However, no system is 100% safe. There have been cases where data has been leaked or stolen, even from big tech companies. Sometimes, AI apps also share data with third-party companies for advertising or other purposes. So, while AI apps are usually safe, it's important to read their privacy policies and know how your data is being used. One of the biggest concerns people have with AI apps is privacy. These apps often collect sensitive information, like your location, shopping habits, or even your health data. This information could potentially be misused or fall into the wrong hands if not properly protected. For example, some voice assistants are always listening for commands, which raises concerns about whether they could accidentally record private conversations. Also, many apps use AI to target ads based on your preferences, which makes some users feel like they're being watched. So, while AI apps can be incredibly helpful, it's important to understand the privacy risks and be aware of how your data is being used. Now that we know AI apps can have privacy risks, let's talk about how you can protect yourself and stay safe while using them. Here are some simple tips to help you stay secure when using AI apps. Check privacy settings. Always check the privacy settings of the app and adjust them according to your comfort level. Many apps allow you to limit how much data they collect. Read the privacy policy. Yes, we know no one likes to read privacy policies, but it's important to understand what data is being collected and how it's being used. Limit data sharing. Turn off features that you don't need, like location sharing or constant voice listening. Be careful with permissions, only give the app access to what's necessary. If an AI app asks for permission to access your camera or microphone and you are not comfortable, don't allow it. Update regularly. Keep your apps updated to make sure they have the latest security features. Another concern people have is whether AI apps can be hacked. Just like any other software, AI apps can be vulnerable to hackers, especially if they aren't updated regularly or don't have strong security measures in place. In some cases, hackers could try to steal personal information or even take control of the AI system. For example, if a hacker gets into a smart home device, they could potentially access your home security system or personal data. The good news is that companies are always working to improve security and prevent hacking. But it's always a good idea to stay cautious and take steps to protect your data, like using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Despite the concerns, there are many benefits to using AI apps. These apps can save us time, make our lives easier, and even improve our health and productivity. For example, AI apps can remind you to take your medication, help you manage your finances, or even guide you through a workout routine. In education, AI apps are helping students learn at their own pace, with personalized lessons and feedback. In healthcare, AI apps are assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases and creating personalized treatment plans. The potential benefits of AI apps are enormous, but they must be used responsibly. So, what's next for AI apps? In the future, we can expect AI apps to become even more advanced and capable of performing more complex tasks. For example, AI could help predict natural disasters, assist in space exploration, or even create new forms of art and entertainment. However, as AI apps become more powerful, the need for stronger security and privacy protections will also grow. Governments, tech companies, and users need to work together to make sure AI is used safely and ethically. So, are AI apps safe? The answer is mostly yes, but with some caution. AI apps are designed to help us in many ways, from making our lives easier to improving healthcare and education. But they do come with risks, especially when it comes to privacy and data security. As users, it's important to stay informed, protect our data, and use AI apps wisely. By being careful and responsible, we can enjoy the benefits of AI apps without putting ourselves at risk. Thanks for watching Pranab Digital Gurukul. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.